bid farewell to 2010. We're going to count down together on this one. I think everybody here at Downtown is going to be doing it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
What an incredible display. What, as you can view now, one of the most spectacular displays, one of the most spectacular displays of fireworks on the tallest building in the entire world, standing at 828 meters. The Burj Khalifa is bursting with beautiful lights.
Wow, take a look at that.
Beautiful fireworks. Absolutely incredible. The United Arab Emirates.
They can hear the crowd as well, but the crowd is absolutely loving this.
Going mental.
I mean, this has to be the world's tallest fireworks display as well. That should be a record on its own. It's going off the other building as well.
The fireworks are actually going off another building. Beautiful. Oh my God. The infamous Burj Khalifa firework display seen for the first time at the beginning of 2010, and here we are 2011 and we're seeing an even more spectacular firework display.
That's right. Happy New Lubna, I want to wish you Happy New Year as well. Be the first one to wish you a Happy New Year.
And I would like to wish you a Happy New Year, Marwan, and it was beautiful presenting this New Year's Eve show right here at the Burj Khalifa with you. We couldn't have thought of a better person to do it with.
Oh, thank you. Also, of course, a Happy New Year to all our viewers who are watching from home and the rest of the world. Wow.
Wow. Amazing,
it's
absolutely amazing.
It's like a movie, right? You can't believe it. Wow.
And to be sitting at a distance so close to the Burj Khalifa is just a blessing.